As before, I just wanted to show another piece by each of the composers that we're looking at each week. The piece I'd like to share with you, many of you will know it, by Purcell, is Dido's Lament from Dido and Aeneas, the opera. It's a very famous piece of music, but I'd like to show you two different recordings. One is a historic recording of Janet Baker singing this, and it really shows, although it's obviously a very old recording and a stage performance which might seem a little bit old-fashioned to look at, you do get a sense of the amazing beauty of the quality of her voice. And also what people always say about her is that she completely inhabits the role that she has to sing. I was fortunate enough to have some tuition with her, with a singer, and she all her performances are completely it's just uncompromising, and she was always like this when she worked. She wasn't a difficult person to work with, but she would always be, it was either 100% or she wasn't interested in doing it, and that's kind of a good lesson to learn. It's very dramatic, and you feel that even that when she's stopped singing, you get this amazing play out by the string players, which is one of the features of the piece, which is, I think, very remarkable and shows again Purcell's very dissonant and expressive, very fantastically, heartbreakingly expressive harmonies that he chooses to set this. And even though this is an old video, you can see how much that she completely understands the music and the instruments and how that all works in her acting. And I think it's, although it looks dated, it's still very, very powerful. Some people still think that she's the greatest in this kind of role, and also a lot of Handel. Then to contrast this with, I've got a much newer and cleaner recording, just to contrast, to hear a different style, and you can compare and see what you think of these two contrasting styles. So do have a listen to these two and see what you think, see which you prefer.